Hi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils.
I was looking at porn.
Max is looking at porn. No, he's working on his R6. In the last video I said it was an R1, but it's an R6. I'm just an idiot. Today I'm gonna work.
I'm not a baller.
We know.
Oh. Okay.
Today I'm gonna do a little bit on the DRZ. I got a new what is that shit called? Starter gear cover, because the O-ring broke. What am I even pointing at? Because the O-ring broke on the old one, so I'm just gonna swap this out. Got some new connectors for the TX build, so I'm gonna cut that and put that in there, and then might work on the truck a little bit, but then I got a pretty big surprise with the new vehicle I bought, so we're gonna show you that. But let's start with the DRZ first.
Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like a dipstick. Ooh, yeah, she with me like a misfit. Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it instinct. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like.
Alright, I got the new cover installed. Put fresh oil in it. I'd say it looks pretty good. Battery's dead, so I can't try and start it right now, which sucks, but we'll try and do that tomorrow. Now I'm gonna move on to this thing.
Why don't you put it on the charger, Liz?
Because I'm talking right now. I'm putting a lithium battery in this bike, and which means I can't use the old regulator and rectifier, which is good because I don't want two things and they take up space. So I bought this fancy combined regulator rectifier. The thing is, I already rewired everything here, and this comes with a completely different wire. So bought a kit, a 10-pin kit, and I'm gonna rewire it all so that this fits together, and then hopefully buy a lithium battery soon, and this bike should be good to go. Okay, it's a little messy, but I've got this all done being rewired. Just waiting on the battery. That should be here this Tuesday, so have this thing finished pretty soon. So I made a very big purchase, and now I'm in a lot of debt, and this is it. I decided to buy a 2015 Toyota Tacoma for more money than I can afford, and it's the best decision I've ever made. It's not a TRD. There's some bird shit on it right there. I've owned it for 2 weeks now, and it's a fantastic truck. But the main reason I went with the Tacoma is because I wanted decent gas mileage, and I wanted not a vehicle to tow a lot of things, but a vehicle to put my motorcycle in the back, so I could take weekend trips anywhere throughout Wisconsin and go ride my dirt bike with Willie in his van. And the Tacoma was the best option to do that because, one, they're extremely reliable, two, they get decent gas mileage, and three, they look super cool and way better than anything America's ever made. We have a camping trip coming up, so there's a couple things that I have to do to it. We already put two bikes in the back, and it fit perfectly. I'll put the image of that up now. Basically gonna do like a little bit of an overlanding, but not like to the full extreme. It is my daily too, but I'm gonna get like a little bit bigger off-road tires because those kind of don't cut it. Interior, it works. I don't know, there's nothing special there. The main stuff is in the back. You're
a back kind of guy?
Yeah, I'm a back kind of guy. Like upper back. I'm gonna get 2 different kinds of motorcycle mounts that will stay in the bed permanently. I think the brand's like Ripstick something is what it's called, and they're like really easy motorcycle mounting. And I'm gonna get ramps for it and find a way to install the ramps so that they stay in the truck all the time. They're easy to take in and out. Maybe a grill. I don't know. We'll figure it out. That's all. I don't really know what else to say. It's not that big of a deal. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I'm super pumped about the Tacoma. I've got a lot of really cool plans, really cool trips that we're going to be filming it all. Lots of off-roading, whatever it is. So super excited about that. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I don't really know what else to do. Still have to figure out a good way to end these two. Bye.